Hello, my dear children. Good morning. How are you? We hope you are safe at home. Stay safe, and be happy. Hi, children. It's me, your Tahira Miss, and today we are in our 36th online class. Children, before moving on to our module, let me ask you something personal. Are you ready to answer it? Okay, good. Children, what do you feel about our English classes? How it feel? Do you feel any difficulty to grasp it? Or is it easy to understand? Can you tell me? Okay. And children, if you feel any difficulty to understand, you can contact me through WhatsApp. Is it clear, children? Children, do you remember what all we discussed and mentioned in the last class? What were they? Yes, tell me. You are right. Yes, it was to write down your opinion regarding Shambhu's first defeat in the second tug of war competition. Children, did you write your opinion? Okay, good. Children, what was the second task? Yes, it was to make sentences. Did all of you write? Children, what were the words given to make sentences? The first word was defeat. Shambhu always defeated other animals. Second word was, yes, frightened. So you can write like this. Shambhu always frightened all the animals. Third word, boasted. All the animals boasted about their strength. Next word, challenged. Kimbu challenged Shambhu to defeat him in a wrestling contest. And the last word, accepted. Shambhu accepted the challenge. Children, you don't need to write the same sentences what we discussed here now. You can write your own. Children, what was the third task? Yes, you are right. Tell me. Yes, we have discussed past and present verbs. And the task related to this was to find out past verbs. Then, children, write down all of you write form of the verb. Past form of the verbs from the story Pull Shambhu Pull. Did you write their present forms in your English notebook? Didn't you? I hope so. Children, how many past words do you got from the story? Children, all of you look at here. Did all of you write all these words? Children, you just compare your answer with that word Miss wrote here. Children, do you got more words than what Miss wrote? Children, if you wrote a special congrats to you. Children, what was the next task? What was it? Yes, it was to rewrite past sentences in the present tense. So children, here is the answer. So you just compare answer and correct them. Children, and what was the last task? Yes, it was to find out opposite words from the word grid. Children, did you get 10 opposite words? Okay, very good. And if not, don't worry. Here is the answer. Children, don't forget to check your answers. If you have any mistake with your answer, you just correct them. Children, it's the end of our last class tasks. And now let's move on to our new topic today. You know what is the topic? Yes, it is adjectives. You know what is adjectives? What is meant by adjectives, children? Children, we had already discussed about it in our worksheet too. Do you remember that? Don't you? Children, adjectives are describing words. You know what it means? It means these adjectives give more information about nouns or pronouns. That means it describes or it gives information about the size or color or shapes or taste, like that. Children, all of you listen here. Let's examine some adjective words or describing words. Are you ready? Here we have some words. Just look: color, black, blue, coral, green and pink. Size: big, huge, large, little and short. Then shapes: boxy, oval, round, square and triangular. And then taste: bitter, sour, sweet, tangy and tart. Children, when we hear these words, we get a clear idea about any object, or maybe a person, or maybe a place, or something like that. Children, now we can go through more such examples. Children, here we have some sentences. Let's read. First one: it's a beautiful place. You know this sentence. In this sentence, beautiful, the word beautiful is describing the noun place. So here beautiful is a describing word or an adjective. Second sentence: he is a naughty elephant. He is a naughty elephant. The word naughty describes about elephant, the noun. And the next sentence: she is a smart girl. The word smart is describing the noun girl. And the last sentence: he is an intelligent boy. The word intelligent describes about the boy. So children, what are the adjectives in these sentences? Beautiful, naughty, smart and intelligent. They all describing the following nouns. Is it clear? Now let me give you a task related to this topic. You know children, what is the task? To find out the sentences in which adjectives or describing words are used in the story Pull Sembu Pull. Got it? See children, you need to write the sentences only in which adjectives are used. Okay? And you have to write these all in your English notebook and send to your class teacher. Children, now let me give you the second task. You know what is the second task? All of you look at your page number 64 in your course book. And here we can see a word verb. And what you have to do with this word verb? You have to add more words related to sports and games. What do you have to do, children? You have to add more words related to sports and games. Two examples are given here. What are they? Whistle. Yes, it is related to sports and games. Ground. Yes, we need ground to play. And then, so think and write down here. Okay? Children, now let's move on to our new topic. You know what is it? Yes, shall and will. Children, you know, shall and will are modal auxiliary verbs. Children, you know, both these words, shall and will, use in future tense. Future tense means they are going to happen. Maybe tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow, or next week, or next year. For example, I shall go Ooty in this vacation. Or, we will meet you soon in the school. Children, if we talk about something that is going to happen in future, you must use shall or will in a sentence. Children, can you say which is the modal we use largely in a future tense sentence? Shall or will? Yes, absolutely right. It is will. Shall is formal modal auxiliary. And we can use will both in formal and informal situations. And shall always comes with the first person, that is I or we. Children, now let me give you some tasks related to this topic. Are you ready? Children, then you have to do activity 5 and activity 6 in the workbook, worksheet 6, page number 42. And what is to do with this activity 5? All of you listen here. What will be the result of if a student is very proud, too proud before his or her friends? You just imagine that you have a friend and his or she is very proud of herself. So what will be the result? So you have to write down 4 sentences using the words given in the bracket. So here you have given some words to write the answer, write your answer. So you have to write down 4 such sentences using the words given in the bracket, and one is already here. They will hate him or her. Yes, we are sure about it. They will hate him or her. Then, and the second clues in the bracket are will/defeat. So you have to use this words in your sentence and write down here. Then the third, will not like/play. So you have to use both these words and answer to the question. Okay. Then fourth one, will not/speak. And fifth one, will not/help. So think and write. Children, now all of you look at the next activity. What is it? Activity 6. And what is to do with this activity? Yes, Sambu was defeated by Busy the hare. And he was very much worried then. So here we have some thoughts of Sambu. But these sentences are incomplete. So you have to complete them. Got it? So first read here. I shall show. Then what you have to write here? You just think and write. And the next, I will never make any problem for my friends. This is another thought. And what will be the thought here? I shall tell, then you have to complete. And what will be the thought here? I shall meet dash. Okay, then you have to complete here. And the last, I won't. Then what will be here? So you just think and write. Children, then we have 2 more activities related to the story Will Sambu Pull, and one is speech. So Nirmal is a student from Std.4, wants to congratulate Busy the hare for his great victory, and here is a speech and help him to complete the following speech. So here are the clue words. So you have to find out the clue words, the suitable words from here, and fill the blanks. Got it, children? This is your 5th task. Children, it is the last task today. What is this? What is to do with this activity? Yes, we already knew that Shambhu the young elephant was defeated by busy there. And Sambu was a naughty elephant and he was very proud of himself. But after the defeat, he was very much worried. After the defeat, he was very much worried. Then what will happen? What will be his thoughts? What will be his attitude towards his friends, his other young animals? So that you have to write down here in the space given to complete the story in a few sentences. Got it? So, children, what will we discuss today? Yes, we have discussed adjectives, then use of shall and will in a sentence. Then we have discussed a word verb related to sports and games and also a speech. Children, how many tasks have you given today? Yes, 6 tasks. Do all these tasks very carefully and very neatly and then send to your class teacher. So don't forget to study them. Children, now it's a time to wind up our class. We can see with a new topic in our next online class. So take care. Bye. Thank you.